What's good, traders? It's your boy Kelechuku. Good evening from anywhere you're watching this video from. Okay, right now I want to be backtesting GBPUSD, right? So I want to show how I get to backtest GBPUSD using a simple concept. That's with price action strategy. So make sure you stick around till the end of the video because I'll be breaking it more down. You'll get to understand how I get to backtest GBPUSD using a simple concept with price action, right? So don't forget to subscribe, leave a like. Let's head straight into the chat.
So so even as this one now has played out, like has already played, so we are not going to hold and wait for this trade. You get, we are going to use that box trading concept to trade it. If this market in the concept of box trading, you are going to wait for any candle that first break off this box, either is it upside or downside. We are going to anticipate on it and enter a trade and call off a trade from it. The minimum is 1:2. Sorry, the maximum is 1:2. We close off. Even though it goes way beyond it, just that 1:2 is okay for this box box trading. So let's just see. Okay, now see what happened now. Why is this thing misbehaving now? What the fuck? As you can see, this one self didn't even close with a week, but this one now that have closed now. I told you that this thing is more like, this is mostly news event, but I see what happened right now. That spike. It was fast. It was very fast. Maybe one can't hold on to your this system. It's very risky. See, go down. So just my advice for anybody trading this, even though it later move deep down, but the best thing is you pop out from here, and if you want to enter another position, still enter. You understand? Still enter, because is it whereby market has started consolidating here now. Just see, and I just see as price is consolidating. Imagine a situation now holding this trade, maybe let's say from 10, holding this trade, and it has already played out and give you this. Once it has given you this, and certain things is living this way, are you still going to be on that trade? That's the question you ask yourself. Will you still be? Because anytime trade is doing this way, or anytime the market is doing this, you know that there are fundamentals coming in. There are fundamentals, either by USD or by GBP. Either pounds is about to release a news, or there is fundamentals for United States dollar. You understand? So that's why. And where this thing is very very painful is, after all this waiting, you might have waited, or you waited as this trade already. You waited already, and maybe after that fundamentals, there will be a spike up that will just test even come exactly at, it will even show you that it will test exactly that point. You place your stop loss, start dropping down. That's the most annoying part. So the best thing, or the best option, or the best advice is just to stay away from the market in such situation, and maybe wait for another setup. You understand? So that's it. Let's keep it. So how many this thing have we played out today? How many analysis, or how many traders have we called off, and how many do we win? How many traders have we called off, how many have we win? So now it's like 4 trades now. let's say this first one hit our SL. Most of our this video I have no hit SL. Second one hit TP. Second one, this one I will close manually because of this reversal. Sorry, this one if I didn't actually enter it, because this one I was like waiting for price to test, but I'll leave it. This one played out as we anticipated. Exactly just played out exactly as we anticipated. Good, played out very nice. Okay. So essentially buy prices in this way. What am I saying? This is a very clean lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Yeah. This was it on BTC? This. Yeah, it was on BTC. So our first work out the trend line. Let's mark out the trend line from this point. This point I see. So it's giving us like 30 points, 30 touching points. 30 points. So are you seeing it? So okay. So now this higher low, lower low, higher low, lower low. Oh, we don't call it higher low, we call it lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower low. So let me delete this, let me delete this pattern. It's called lower high. So I'll play some sunshine. This thing is already, so it's called the lower high, lower low. You see? Lower high, lower low, lower high. And again, just playing within that trend line. I think lower low. So at this point in time now, it has still given me okay now lower high. Another one now, we're going to anticipate now. We drop very nicely. We drop maybe to this point or to this 5 minutes, 15 minutes, and just see if there is a zone over there. Okay, there is a zone over these 5 minutes. This one, this last one. So now. Let me just place. Let me just delete this. Let me delete it. Okay. I've seen. Another thing I will plot out now is key level. But the key level that will identify my final result. Alright. So now, where am I going to plot it now? We're plotting it here at this point. Remember, let it always touch at the body of the candle. Let it always touch at the body of the candle. Okay. Yeah, this one touch at the body of the candle. So what are we going to do right now? To trade based on what we are seeing. Another thing nice, we look out for psychological level. Sometimes if we don't even consider the psychological level, it is very, very crucial. Very, 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 very crucial. 99k, 9850. Meters within here. Okay, this one is 987. Okay. We've seen the psychological level right now. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing the psychological level right here? So now what am I going to do now? Am I going to do next? I did my trend line. Remember, okay, that one is good. But this one mainly for, I do understand that this one respects psychological level very, very nicely. So this another psychological level I'm going to plot out, and this final reason also. No, this one is 29870. So I will look for 29865. 29865. Psychological level scoring sports with it. So what am I going to do right now? I'm going to look for a chart pattern. Because this one self has given us what is the candlestick talking about this? Shooting star. So we get up to this point. Let's see if price plays out as anticipated. Okay, now we adjust our stop loss. We wait a little bit. Wait. No, we can't release from this vehicle. Yeah. So we are this. Right. Okay. Let's play and see how it plays out. Okay, can you see what the market is doing? Can you see how price is just playing? Nice, TP it. I see, TP smash. So I see what does it is? Just play it right now. That psychological level I talked about, are you seeing that? He just expected it. And exactly as we said, if you got with this coupled with this my final zone or this key level, I think that price just came with this zone, came test ASAP, tested it and drop down, and you can see still came to even reverse. The reverse came at that point also, trying to reverse also, sorry, or like a retracement, trying to form a retracement, came at that psychological level and still plays back and bounce back again. I see. Okay. Alright. Going nicely. So how many books have we done? How many backtests have we done that is playing out? 1, 2, 3,